Welcome back to my channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, in this video, we'll discuss a string comparison tricky question. Okay, so just write the heading here like string comparison, CUMPARISON, comparison. Okay, so here we have, let's take the interviewer take like the string S1 is equal to Java, Java, not a comma, it's a semicolon. Okay, then again take string s2 is equal to new string Java over here. Okay, now after this, what interview do like first sys out s1 is equal to s2. Okay, again sys out sys sys out. Okay, s1 dot equals to s2. Now the question is, what will be the output of this question? Tell me, what will be the output of this question? Come on, tell me. So the questions really tricky. But if you know the concept of how the equals work, how the equals method work, and how the equals operator work in the Java. Okay. So here basically S1 is equal to S2 will be comparing the reference, not a value. Okay, so when you are doing s1 is equal to s2, it will be comparing the reference. Reference means address. I hope you know that the reference means address only. Okay, and here s1 dot equals to s2, that means it will be comparing the value. What is the value assigned inside the s1 and inside the s2 object? It will be comparing that only. So the output what we will be getting is output is here false and here is true. Let me tell you first. Let me run this program. See, first true false and another one is true. So the thing is, when you are using the system.out.println s1 is equal to s2, as you can see here, one we have a simple string and the other one we have in the object. So S1 have a different reference address and the S2 have a different reference address. That's why when you're comparing the S1 is equal to S2, it will be comparing the address and the address is not true. That's why we will getting the false here. And the next one is S1 dot equals to S2. It will be comparing the value. So as you can see here, the value inside of the S2 is Java and the value inside of S1 is Java. Same as in the later as well. So that's why we will get the true. What if we will change the value here like a Java? Let me see what we will getting. See, it becomes the false as well because now the value is S1 is a small case and the value in the here is a camel case, right? That's why we're getting the false both places. So just Java, run it again and see will getting the false and the another one is true. I hope you know this concept already. If you don't know, that means this video is very helpful for you. So thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.